Welcome to the channel everyone. Today I'm gonna be creating press-on nails with these long stiletto soft gel nail tips. I purchased them on SHEIN or Temu. I can't remember exactly, I have them now for a while. Once I place the nails on the stands, I'm going to file the free edge a little bit just to make everything nice and smooth. And I'm using a dust collector. I always like to work as dust free as possible. And next I'm going to apply some primer. This primer is the same primer I would use for my natural nails, but you can buy one just specifically for nail tips. Again, this step you can do it with a buffer or a nail file, but I just prefer the option where it's dust free. Next I'm going to apply a layer of base gel. I'm using a base gel from the brand AIMEILI, and I'm gonna be curing this layer for 60 seconds. On the design for today, I'm gonna be using these beautiful cat eye gel polishes from Born Pretty. I'm gonna do some chrome, and as well I'm gonna use the black liner gel from Born Pretty as well. And here I'm gonna be using as a base colors a few polishes that I have from AIMEILI. So I'm gonna be doing one layer of the regular colors, and then on top I'm gonna be applying the cat eye gel polishes. Actually, not everything is from AIMEILI. I have this one here, that is from Modelones. I forgot to mention that. And the middle one is from Born Pretty as well, the green jelly that you can see there. And once I'm done with this, I'm gonna cure it for 60 seconds. I always like to cure for 60 seconds or even more if I have to. And now I'm going to start with the cat eye gel polishes application. And for cat eye gel polishes, if you haven't used them before, you do need a magnet to move the little magnets inside the gel polish around, and that will allow you to create different designs. All depends on how you move that magnet around. I'm not very good at creating like specific designs with it, but as you can see, I just go around it here just to create some shine on top of the nails. And this is going to be my general base to apply the chrome and create a final design for today. When you use cat eye gel polishes, you do need to cure it right away, otherwise the little magnets inside the gel polish, they will move out of place, and then you will have to redo the design again. As well, I want to mention that I'm gonna be listing in the description down below all the items that I'm using on this video. For some of them I do not have affiliate links, and for some of them I do, like Born Pretty for example. And as well with Born Pretty I have a discount code, so I'm gonna list it as well if you're interested in checking out these cat eye gel polishes. It will take you directly to their website, and you can use my discount code to get 10% off of the total purchase, and it has to be used directly on their website. So thank you so much if you are trying these links and purchasing from Born Pretty. That will help me a little bit, and I really appreciate it. Thank you. I cure the cat eye gel polish for 60 seconds, and next I'm gonna be creating a design with this black liner gel polish from Born Pretty. The design I'm creating here today, I seen a few nails around the internet or at least something similar. It looks like holes coming throughout the nail and that's what I'm drawing these circles here. So once you see the final result, it will make more sense. So I'm gonna just finish painting these frames around the nail and stay tuned to see. Once I cure the black gel polish for 60 seconds, I apply gold chrome powder from AIMEILI, and next I'm gonna be creating some texture around the openings of the design. This is gonna make it look more like an actual hole through the nail, and I'm using this semi-solid gel from AIMEILI, and you just need like a liner brush that you can see that I'm using here. The semi-solid gel is actually meant to be used with chrome powders, and I cure it for 60 seconds and then I apply the chrome powder on top, and as you can see, applies very easily and it looks very nice. So I'm happy about these results. And this is how the nails are looking right now after all the chrome. And I decided to apply another layer of the cat eye gel polish, and I'm using a liner brush for this step. This is gonna make it look a little bit more 3D. I really like the final result this way. So I'm gonna cure this gel polish that I'm applying right now here for 60 seconds. And then I'm going to continue with the top coat. Once I cure the top coat for 60 seconds, this is the final result for today. I originally wanted to do all 10 nails, but because this took me a long time, I ended up just doing 5 nails. I applied them with sticky tabs for press-on nails onto my nails, and they look really nice. Maybe in the future I will end up finishing the other 5 nails, who knows. If you stay until the end of the video, I just want to say thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. You have a nice day.